كيفك نايرة؟
منيح استاذ، انت كيفك؟
الحمد لله. شو عملتي منيح بهذا التست؟
يس استاذ يس.
جود. شو عندكم انتوا هذا البيريود على طول دايما؟
اليوم كان عنا كيمستري بس استاذ قال انه راح يبعت فيديو فما عملنا.
تنبسطوا وقت تاخذوا فيديو. ما في حدك بيبيز؟
تمام.
تمام. مين هيدا؟
هيدا حفيد خالتي استاذ.
شو اسمه؟
بنت قارين.
عرين. تحكي عربي منيح.
علينا استاذ كيفك؟
كيفك هيكاز؟
Nairatuna sanki panera askına zero innovative uderingle Beyrut mı?
ها؟
Zero innovative mı?
استاذ
يس.
09 اي منطقة رقم؟
صاب جبيل.
هاي غاز لسه.
جبال استاذ صحته المات
ما وصل لك الجريد؟
ما بعرف هلا بعمل تشيك.
Okay, let's start.
Hi, Stez.
هاي كيفك أليسا؟
Fine, you?
So what are the properties that we have studied till now? This is a probability of A given B. If we can use the definition, we can calculate it using the definition. If not, we have the rule probability of A given B equal probability of the intersection B plus probability of B. We took also probability لل A bar equal 1 minus probability لل A. We took probability لل A equals probability لل A intersection B plus probability of A intersection B bar. Okay, these are the rules of this chapter. These are the rules of this chapter. We solved this activity, yes. And we reached that. And we took probability that A intersection B equal either probability del A times probability of B given A or equal P del B times probability of A given B. Last time we stopped here. So probability that A intersection B equal probability that A times probability that B given A or probability that B times probability that A given B. Okay, the last activity or in a class of third secondary year.
أستاذ
Yes,
آخر مرة شو كنا عاملين؟
فهيتا.
بابا أستاذ
ايه
أستاذ هيدا حتى البيج بدي
هيدا
شوف
ك-
إذا كاتب.
هذا آخر بيج كان.
أيوه أوكي.
Okay, in the class of third year secondary, 2/3 of the students are boys. 80% of the boys practice sport. And 85% of the girls practice dance. Okay. We randomly selected one student of the class. We randomly select one student of the class. Consider the events. B, the chosen student is a boy. G, the chosen student is a girl. S, the chosen student practices sport and dance. Sport. D, the chosen student practices the dance. You understand the given? In a class of third secondary, 2/3 are boys. 80% of the boys practice sport and 85% of the girls practice dance, etc. Part 1. What is the probability that the chosen student is a boy? يلا شباب وصبايا كمان. شو هي probability اللي يكون عندنا boy؟ Here we don't have numbers to put possible over total. What is the probability to choose a boy?
Two over
2/3. Yes, good. probability للجير is how much
1/3.
كيف جبت 1/3
1 minus 2/3.
probability للبي بار is 1 minus 2/3 equal 1/3 probability of boy
بي بار او بي
girl هي 1 minus probability للبي
قلنا بي بي بار تنس equals to 1 minus بي بي.
what is probability of boy knowing that he practices sport
80%.
yes 80% يعني probability of girl knowing that she practices dance yes ladies
85.
85 over 100 part 2 what is the probability that the chosen student is a boy who practices sport
فوق معنا استاذ. ها
yes
فوق ما جاوبنا نفس الشيء. بي
كيف
بي اس.
هيدا بس بتصلحوها هون هيدا اس على بي وهيدا هون
دي اوفر جي.
يو اوفر جي هون you check it you correct it
ليش هيك؟
it is not correct هون 85% of the girls knowing that she is a girl هون sports هون dance giving girl
نفس الجواب.
yes yes
It says 85% of girls practice dance يعني 85% knowing that they practice dance.
no knowing that she is a girl from the girls knowing that she is a girl 85 practice dancing Part 2, what we need to calculate, part 2? Calculate the probability that the chosen student is a boy who practices sport. What we need to determine?
PB over S.
What is the rule that we took before? Probability of boy intersection S. شفنا قبل شوي probability لل A intersection B. هيدا.
PB over S.
So probability لل B times probability لل S given B equals 2 over 3 times
أستاذ هون ما لازم يكون B over S.
no, إذا كان ال B هون فوق بيكون ال B تحت. probability لل B ضرب probability لل S given B. probability لل A intersection B is P لل A. إذا حطينا أول شيء P لل A بتكون times P لل B given A. بتكون ال A تحت. وإذا حطينا بلشنا probability لل B بتكون probability لل A given B.
يعني شو بحد فوق بده يصير denominator بعدين.
Yeah. But one of them we can use. We cannot use both of them here. Third one. Calculate the probability that the chosen student is a girl who practices dance. Girl who practices dance. How to write it?
يلا PG
Yes.
times PD over G. وفينا ناخد PD times PG over D مو؟
بس ما عندنا البروبابيلتي للجي ولا probability of G على D. Probability للجي is 1 over 3 times 17 over 20. We get okay. It is done this page.
Yes.
Okay. Rule of total probability. Rule of total probability. It is the last idea in this chapter. So probability of A equal probability that A intersection B plus probability that A intersection B bar is called the rule of total probability. In a high school, 54% are girls. From the girls, 72% are external. While among the boys, 76% are external. Okay. Please here, whenever we have percentage, we have to make a tree. Don't draw the tree. You will check it in the second page. We will check it.
Says
Yes.
شو يعني هيدا 54% of students are girls from the girls.
Yes. Point. From the girls, there are 72% are external.
Yeah.
You understand what are external?
Yes, yes.
No.
Explain what's external, Thomas Lahikaz.
external يعني شيء هيك outside هيك.
مثلا بالإنجيلية تحت اللي عنجر عندكم في شيء external student that they don't sleep in the school. Okay, we call them external students.
شي شيروتيكي بس يعني.
special cases.
مش special cases.
Like انت special لغة.
هيكاز.
internal كيشيروتيغني.
اوكي اوكي.
Okay, I make a tree like that. Please don't draw it. I will draw it later. So we have in a school 45% are girls. So here I put girls and here boys. How much the percentage of girls? 54 over 100. Don't draw it. How much the percentage of boys? Come on. The 54% girls. How much is that?
54%.
How much?
46.
46%.
Girls 54%.
Boys?
46.
The total should be 1. دايما on each branch the total each one. هلا the girls are divided into two groups. External and not external. External knowing that they are girls and not external knowing that they are girls. So from the girls, knowing that the student is a girl, the percentage to be external is how much? 72 over 100. Not external, how much?
28.
28 over 100. So the total should be 1. Here also the total should be 1. 28 over 100. From the boys, they are divided also into two groups. External, knowing that they are boys. Not external, knowing they are boys. The external from the boys, how much?
76 over 100.
76 over 100. Here
24.
24. Okay, this tree now is better. Tree diagram. Girls and boys.
نرسمها يا أستاذ.
Yes.
أستاذ هيدا لازم يصير بار.
Which one? Yes.
وهيدول تحت تبع البويز حاطط جي.
He is an Armenian اللي كتب هون.
أيوه.
Yeah. بس write this part here. Okay. بس هيدا.
خلاص شو أستاذ؟
شو؟
أنا كتبت هي P equals to P intersection G plus P هي بكتب هي.
إذا كتبته no problem.
هيدول these two
Okay.
boxes.
فهمتوا هدول كيف هيدا التري عملنا؟ So the chosen student is a girl or a boy. 54% are girls, يعني 54 over 100 0.54 0.46. هون حطيت له انه probability للبوي plus probability للgirl is equal to 1. Here from the girls 72% are external, 0.28% are internal. not external يعني. The sum of these كمان should be 1. حطينا probability لل E given G plus probability لل E bar given G equal 1. Also from the boys. هلا إذا مشينا على هذا اللاين, if we need to calculate external and girl, probability لل external and girl, we multiply probability لل G times probability لل E given G. هيدا times هيدا. If we need girl and not external, we move on this branch of the tree. This one times that one, and so on. طيب. The question is, we are interested in two criteria, sex, girl or boy, and quality, internal or not internal. The universe of this random experiment is the set of students of a high school, and each student has the same probability of being questions. The situation can be represented below by the weighted tree. Can I skip to the شباب صبايا, can I skip?
Yes.
Okay, but we need to calculate, if you notice here, is to calculate the probability of the event E. بلاقي the probability that the student is external. What is the chance for the student to be external? So for the student to be external, I have two groups, either girl and external or boy and external. This is called the rule of total probability that we have seen before. This is probability E. To be external, هي probability E intersection G plus probability E intersection B equal probability G times the probability of E given G plus probability of boy times the probability of external given boy. So for the student to be external, we have two external, either girl and external or boy and external. Girl and external هي G intersection E, we can be calculated by this rule. probability G, يعني هذه فيها أقول هون E given G هيدا E bar given G, they are written. So equals probability G is 0.54 times 0.72 plus 0.46 times 0.24. بتلاقوا الانسر انتم بيطلع 0.7384. Okay, this is all for today. We continue tomorrow.
يلا باي.
Bye. General Science ايه ساعة؟
250.
250. Okay, يلا.
Bye.
يلا باي.
باي.
Bye.